Hello everyone, I am Ansu Kumar, currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science. The purpose of this video is to explain the two-page report that I have prepared, whose topic is LinkedIn Network Analysis of Class of 2028. This report explored how our class are professionally connected. So let's move to the report. Now jump to the overview. So this report explored the LinkedIn network of Sitara University's class of 2028. Basically, the analysis began with the cleaning the raw data, which I have done manually and with coding as well. After that, for the deep analysis, I have create some graphs and to understand the connectivity within the network, random walk between the pair of a student were performed and and the cycle free path were extracted to identify meaning routes. After that, I have done a statistical estimation such as median, mean, and standard deviation, where uh, calculated to gain deeper insight into the network overall structure and interaction patterns. Now, how I have done the data cleaning. So basically, uh, initially we have 131 CV files, each representing the LinkedIn connection data of individual student. First, I have deleted manually some duplicate CSV files. Uh, After that, files with read errors were replaced from corrected version provided by the respective student. Some files in .xlsx format were converted to .csv for consistency. CSV were with incorrect file extension like .csv were renamed to proper .csv format. After manual cleaning, the dataset was reduced to 126 clean and usable CSV files. After that, cleaning were proceed with the Python code, where read and combine data from all CSVs automatically remove missing or individual entries. After that, standardize name and connection into a structured format for further analysis. After that, I have jumped to the graph construction and network analysis. The graph-based structure was built to represent student connections. An agency list was generated where each student was linked to the other student that are connected to. This helped in visualizing and navigating the entire network easily. The degree of each student was calculated by counting the number of unique connections they had. This metric representation how many peers each student is directly connected to in the network. To stimulate how connection spread across the network, random walk were performed between randomly selected student pairs. After that, from the path generated by these random walk, cycle-free routes were extracted to highlight clean and meaningful path of interaction. After that, I have done a statistical estimation by calculating mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, median, and mode for the random walk from the 10 random walk. And similarly for the path, calculate mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, median, and mode. After that, this is the visualization of the most influenced node based on the degree. This is the top 20 most connected people in the network, where in the x-axis there is the name of the people and in the y-axis there is the name of the connection. Thanks.